morning all of you. This is R. Shankar Rao, School Assistant English from ZPHS School Garudi in Vijayanagar district. I hope you are all staying well at home. You know the SSC Public Examinations 2020 will be conducted from 10th July 2020. Actually, they would have been conducted in April 2020. Unfortunately, because of COVID-19, they were postponed. For the sake of students' convenience, the pattern of question paper has been changed. In old pattern, we have two question papers, paper 1 for 50 marks and paper 2 for 50 marks. But now you will have to write only one paper for 100 marks. In addition to that, so many questions have been removed from the old pattern of question paper. So my dear students, it's not enough to practice blindly for the examinations without having proper knowledge on the pattern of question paper. Let us see what are the questions that are removed from the old pattern. Let us see the first paper 1. In paper 1, question number 11 to 15 is removed, that is a paragraph from C reading. So now you need not read C reading lessons for the purpose of reading comprehension. And another one, question number 16. Question number 16 is also removed, that is editing the underlined words. And after that, question number 18 is also removed, that is combining sentences using participles, present participle, past participle and perfect participle. And after that, question number 20 is also removed, that is reported speech. So my dear students, reported speech is a little bit difficult for low proficiency students. Luckily it is removed. Now you need not bother about reported speech. After that, question number 28 is also removed, that is articles. And question number 29, giving advice by using it is time, it is also removed. And regarding writing discourses in paper 1, we have 4 writing discourses. Number 1, conversation. Number 2, description. Number 3, diary writing. Number 4, script for speech. Out of these 4 writing discourses, 2 are removed. Now you have only 2 discourses, that are number 1, conversation, number 2, diary writing. You will have to write any one of the 2 for 10 marks. Dear students, these are the questions that are removed from paper 1. Now let us see what are the questions that are removed from paper 2. In paper 2, question number 6 to 10, unseen comprehension passes, it is also removed. And 11 to 15, rearrange jumbled sentences, it is also removed. So these 2 paragraphs from paper 2 are removed. And one more thing, question number 24, write your own sentences using phrasal verbs, idiomatic expressions, foreign expressions and binomials. This question is also a little bit difficult for low proficiency students. Luckily, this question is also removed. Regarding writing discourses in paper 2, we have 4 discourses in old pattern, that are number 1, letter writing, number 2, report writing, number 3, biographical sketch, and number 4, hints development. Now we have only 2 discourses, that are number 1, letter writing, and number 2, biographical sketch. You will have to write only one out of these 2 discourses for 10 marks. My dear students, these are the questions that are removed from paper 1 and paper 2